Alright, here we got August's Otaku Box. So sadly, story behind this guy is gonna be my last box. I'll tell y'all why at the end, but this is gonna be my last box with them. Let's get it open and see what we got. Alright, let's see. Every time. Alright, so August Otaku Box. Alright, so alright, where's the cheat sheet? Because half the time I don't know what's what. If you look at my last video, it shows what these rankings are, but alright, so this is a record of Rancok acrylic stand. I don't know. It doesn't say on here. I'm guessing here was it Brunhald? Hide? Oh, hello? I don't really know. That's that. And the very top got a Nezuko figure from Demon Slayer. So take a look at that at the end. And, Demon Slayer 12-piece pencils. And then we got Shion on the shirt from the last time I got reincarnated is this time. There you go. This is a microfiber cloth. Clean some glasses, phone screens. I'm probably gonna be using this just to clean up the camera's lenses every now and then, so that's pretty good. Some more Demon Slayer stuff. Yeah, so it looks like this box is heavily in Demon Slayer. But these are, or is, it does not say what these are. I don't know. I'll open it up right now and we'll see. They got a Rem, waifu number 20. Exclusive the Otaku Box pin. And that's Mary Jane from Fairy Tail. And then All Might, My Hero Academia, Link necklace, and then lastly the Shion. Alright, so here we got the shirt. It's gonna be the same as the wall scroll as always. So let me show y'all. And that's the design of the wall scroll. And like I said, this is Shion, or Shion from the time I got reincarnated as the slime. Up next we got some pencils, 12-piece from Demon Slayer. I'm gonna be giving these to my brother because I don't even use pencils, and he's always looking for pencils when he's trying to find some for school. We got the My Hero Academia necklace. with All Might right on top, or not on top, but on the link train. Then we got Mary Jane from Fairy Tail. Spin. We got Ram, number 20. Just a card. I don't remember if I've gotten a card with Ram before. It might have been Ram, but not too sure. But this is Ram. Naruto microfiber cloth with his son Baruto. And that's just one side. Not a microfiber, but just like a lens cleaner, I assume. And then we got Gara on the other. I don't know if it's two separate ones. Might be two separate ones. Let's see. Alright, so it was two separate microfiber cloths. And then we got the acrylic figure. Show y'all better. Okay, so the figure is from, like I said, the record of Rancok? I don't even know how to pronounce it, to be honest. And like I said, I don't know who she is. I haven't seen this anime, so I'm not sure I could tell. I honestly don't know where she's from. Then we got this guy, which I don't know what this is. Let me open this. Alright, so this is what it is. Well, this is the design on it once it's fully open. But on the inside, they are sticky notes. So you got Demon Slayer sticky notes. They're not too big. They're about like 2.5 fingers. So like 1.5 inch by like 2.5 inches. So they're not too big, but yeah, we got some Demon Slayer sticky notes. Then lastly, we got the Nezuko figure. So let me cut to me opening this. Alright, so this is August's Otaku Box unboxing. So overall, pretty good box this month. So sadly, this will be my last box that I'm opening with them or getting from them. I did have them for about a year, I want to say a year and a half. They were good company and everything, but like they had pretty okay quality stuff, not too bad on everything. It was coming from overseas. But one main reason I stopped or wanted to stop, not want to stop, but actually like didn't stop, cancel the subscription, was the shirts. The shirts were always the same as the wall scrolls. That's just one thing I don't like. It would have been okay if they were like different, but every single box I've gotten since the start has been literally the same. I don't know how good you guys can see, but the shirts are literally super thin. They're like athletic type shirts, like they are super thin. And then I've had some that I've had already before shrunk, so they don't fit anymore, so they shrink pretty quick. That's another, like, that's literally the main reason I'm canceling the subscription. I'm not gonna be keeping it for anymore. I'm still gonna be doing the other boxes that I'm doing right now, which is the patrol box and the tuner crate, just because I do get more stuff that I use than the anime box. Like, don't get me wrong, I love anime. I got a whole collection of like the figures that I've gotten literally the past year and a half. A whole bunch of stickers, a whole bunch of pins, but I just for me it's just not gonna be a fit anymore. Like I said, I really do like the box. It's great, amazing. Like, they pack the box literally every single time with items, and I think it's good. I don't know, maybe they changed the shirts to a little bit different material. Might give them a shot again, but other than that, like, a lot of the shirts I haven't been wearing out because they either shrink, and yeah, it's just literally the main reasons. The shirts, and some of the quality on the things are good, like the figures, like they're okay, like they're okay. Could use a little bit more detail, but you know, for the figures, they're okay. They're not the best. They're not really super detailed, but they have some good detail to them, and that's one thing I do enjoy or like about them. They do have like a whole bunch of little fillable stuff. I also forgot to mention about the shirts. Just putting it out there. I like the shirt like designs, but it's been having like the same design on front and back. That's just one thing I didn't like. If it would have been okay if it was just like maybe one design could be on the back one month, maybe one design on the front. But the shirts is literally one of the reasons why I canceled the subscription. Other than that, it's a good box. If you're into anime and don't mind the shirts and stuff, if you want to get figures or anything, I'll go ahead and leave the links in the description. That way you guys can check them out. And that way you guys can give it a shot. But like I said, this is my last box. So for real, we'll see what happens in the future. Alright, so yeah, like I said, we'll see. If maybe in the future they change up the material of the shirt, I might give them a shot again. But overall, this box is a really good box. This is probably, I like the figure the most, though, from this box. Little Nezuko. Sticky notes. I don't know. I'm not gonna probably ever use these. I'll probably give them out to one of my little cousins. These for sure I'm using just to clean my lenses on my cameras and my glasses. The figures, I'm probably just gonna put them up. Pencils, I can give them to my brother. I literally have like 2 or 3 boxes full of the wall scrolls that I haven't put up. I don't really have anywhere else to put in my room. It's full of other posters and stuff, so I don't know where I'm gonna put these. But we'll see. I'll find a spot for them. If not, I'll just probably end up giving them away. But yeah, we'll see what happens in the future. If you guys enjoyed the video, like, comment, let me know what you thought was your favorite in this box. But yeah, I hope you guys at least enjoyed, and y'all can stay tuned to my automotive boxes, which got a few more to open up. So if you guys want to stay tuned for those, you know, I'll catch you on the next one. If not, if you just are here for the anime, well, I've only done a few, so that's that. I'll catch you on later.